Now we discuss the part 2 of root formation, Dictorial, that's what I call them. First of all, we discuss the formation of single root, which grows as a tube around the newly forming bulb, which is lastly named the dental papilla, and there will be differentiation of peripheries of the cells into odontoblasts and forming of the dentin. Now it is called the newly forming bulb. Developing a multi-tooth rooted teeth take place in the same manner of single root teeth until when we reach the bifurcation area or trifurcation area. So it is called generally the bifurcation area. When we reach, there will be a newly forming structure which is called the epithelial diaphragm, and it is originated from Hertzsprung's epithelial root sheath. Now it is this epithelial diaphragm will develop as a tank-like structure. This diaphragm showing the area epithelial root sheath, which is developed from the cervical lobe, and when it reaches the bifurcation area, it is bent to 45 degrees toward the pulp tissue, and now it has become the epithelial diaphragm. When the epithelial cells are missing, the odontoblast, if the continuity of the root sheath is broken before dentin is formed, it is result to missing or abnormal of the epithelial cells. Missing or abnormal of the epithelial cells, there will be no differentiation, of the epithelial cells, and the dentin does not form opposite the defect that occur in the root sheath. The result, what we call a lateral canal or supplemental canal or accessory canal, and this accessory connected to the main root canal with a periodontal ligament. This is the accessory root canals which connected with the periodontal ligament, with the central canal. Why it is occur due to the improper differentiation of the epithelial cells. Improper, or there will be no differentiation here in this area of odontoblast. There is no dentin formation and lead to the accessory supplemental, or what is called a lateral canal. If the epithelial root sheath does not generate it at the proper time and remains stuck to the surface of the root dentin, then the area becomes devoid of cementum. There is no cementum in that area, and the area of root without cementum causes sensitivity if there is a gingival resident. So this is the complication that occur during the formation of the root, and especially the single root formation. There will be accessory, there will be no dentin, there will be improper or development of root sheath, there will be no dentin, there is no cementum, and last, there will be a sensitivity and gingival recession. This diaphragm showing the exposed root dentin. The cementum is not covered in this area, so there will be a sensitivity of the root and there will be a gum recession. And this is one of the complications during the development of the roots. Now, what is the complication of development of the tooth? One of the complications, there will be no differentiation of the odontoblast. There is a breaking of epithelial root sheath before formation of the dentin, and there will be no differentiation of the epithelial cells, and there will be no formation of the dentin of the opposite side, and so the dentin not cover the opposite side of the defect. There will be a development of lateral, supplemental, or accessory canals, and when this area, it is devoid of dentin, so there will be no cementum and the sensitivity of teeth, and also there will be a gum recession. Now we came to know what is the fate of epithelial root sheath. The epithelial root sheath is stuck to the dentinal surface during the formation of the root. But after the complete dentin formation in the root, so these epithelial root sheath will be breaks down. Its remnant migrated away from the dentinal surface and lie in the periodontal ligament, and now it is called epithelial race of Malaces. So what is the definition of epithelial race of Malaces? It is the breaks down on the remnants of root sheath after the complete formation of the dentin in the root, and this remnant migrated away from the dentinal surface and lie in periodontal ligaments. The epithelial race of Malaces found in the periodontal ligament throughout the life. Sometimes if there is a chronic inflammation, or there is cyst in either upper or lower jaw, it may be related to the epithelial race of Malaces. Also, if there is a tumor of upper and lower jaw, it may due to the epithelial race of Malaces, or which is called the remnant of epithelial root sheath. Thank you for your listening.